I'm Joe Burdette out of Lincoln, Nebraska. I've so far learned quite a bit of marketing and uh, different aspects of the drone community and how to start building a business, which I really didn't know on what to do. So Diego's given a lot of good information, and I wish I had known this before when I had a scuba diving um, quote unquote company. I was doing it independently. Um, I recommend this course to uh, other people I know who fly drones in the area or who have a business in the area. I think she would benefit quite a bit from this company, even though she's already pulling in probably 200K a year right now, um, doing what she does in this area with farms and towers and such like that. And I'm hoping to get in that aspect here with doing flyovers of houses and real estates, and maybe even doing home inspections and inspecting roofs. And um, there's plenty of water towers around here that have cells on them for cell phones. So I thank you, and I will continue to learn more in this course. And it's been a great opportunity. Thank you.